I'm Rich Tanis.
And I'm Rod Tanis.
We're the RC Twins.
Yes, we are.
If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of our next video. Thanks again.
Hey, it's Rod Tanis from RC Twins. Stuck here at home during the COVID-19 type of thing, just like everybody else, but I got a project going. Let's take a look. It's a P-47 top flight, and I stripped all the monocoat off of the surface and then put 2 coats of epoxy on it, sanded her out, used a drywall compound for a little filler, and then we're going to put a little aluminum on it. What do you say? Some rivets, some distressing, get her war ready.
Yeah, I'm trapped here with the whole COVID-19 thing going also. So I thought I would just take a look at some airplanes and hey, made a little discovery. Got this turbo Bushmaster down and thought, well, we'll look it all over and move it around. Grabbed a hold of the front and, there's a problem. Good thing I got time. Apparently, this is what happens when you open a Jeep hatch into an airplane. What do you have to say for yourself?
You're the one that left it on the ceiling.
Nice. Still broke. Might be a good time just to take a look at your other airplanes that you thought were okay. Rich
Rod
Tanis,
Tanis.
all done, all through.